Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Veteran Fuji musician King Wasiu Ayinde Marshal Kwamwan, who has been decorated with the chieftaincy title of Oloriyomoba in Ijebu-Ode, Ogun State, is undergoing preparations for his ritual rites in his family house. He is currently making a procession as he is being escorted by his supporters and well-wishers. He will be performing the rites in his family house for 7 days, where he will be taught some of the sacred activities accrued to the title. He was conferred the title at the just concluded Oba-Ojude Festival. The title, last held by late Chief Subomi Balogun, the founder of the First City Merchant Bank, FCMB, was conferred on Kwamwan by the first-class monarch, Awujale of Ijebuland, Oba Sikiru Kayode Adetona. The title became vacant at the demise of Balogun on May the 18th. Kwamwan is one of the illustrious sons of Ijebuland and one of the top Fuji stars in the country with local and global recognitions.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe hete.
Face TV was Swoby.